This is Kathy's monologue from Singin' in the Rain. Oh! Leave me alone! You're a criminal. I've seen your face someplace. You're a famous gangster. Seen your face in the papers or in the post office with a lot of numbers on your chest. Hold on. Wait a minute. You're Don Lockwood. Mr. Lockwood, I can't tell you how sorry I was about mistaking you for a criminal earlier. But it was understandable under the circumstances. I mean, I knew I'd seen your face, though I don't watch your movies. Oh, no offense. But you see, I'm not interested in the movies. I guess it's entertaining enough for the masses, but the personalities on screen, they don't impress me. I mean, they don't act. They just make a lot of numb show. See, no, acting, real acting, means great parts, wonderful lines, speaking those glorious words, like Shakespeare and Ibsen. I am an actress.